And we are in Sydney. Welcome to Circular Quay, spelled Quay but pronounced key like a lock and key. This is one of Sydney's busiest and most central waterfront spots. If you're visiting the city, chances are you'll pass through this area more than once. In the background, you can see the Sydney Opera House, one of the city's most famous landmarks just across the water. All around you, people are moving, heading to ferries, meeting friends, grabbing coffee, or just taking in the view. This is also where you catch ferries to Manly Beach, to Taronga Zoo, and some other harborside spots. The terminals are very clearly marked, and you can check the departure time on the digital signs above. If you don't have an Opal card, there are ticket kiosks right here at the wharf. You will also find cafes, snack bars, some seating areas nearby. Honestly, this video stays closer to the main walkway and the ferry access points. So that's what you're going to see here. It's active, it's a practical space designed to keep people moving through this area efficiently. Just ahead, you will spot the Big Bus Sydney kiosk. This is one of those red colored hop on, hop off tours that takes you to major sites around the city. You can grab a ticket right there and start your sightseeing loop from Circular Quay. Okay, so that's Circular Quay. It's central, it's connected, and as you can tell, always in motion. Whether you're hopping on a ferry, heading out on a tour, or just enjoying the harbor views, this is one of those most iconic and useful places to start your time in Sydney.